Hey everyone, it's your girl Glory Walker with marketingwithglory.com, and if you're watching this video, you are probably either struggling with selling affiliate products online or you are thinking about heading in this direction. If that is the case, you have come to the right place, because right after this intro, I will be discussing 3 powerful ways to sell affiliate products online. So I will see you in a moment. Hey, welcome back. So before we dive right into this this training, are you spamming your links online? And what I mean by that, are you throwing up bear links on social media? Like, are you throwing like bear links on Facebook or Twitter, or are you like sending bear links like through Messenger or email or something like that? Because if you are, that is very annoying and you need to stop. You need to stop today, like right now. And I think I did a blog post about this a while back on my blog a while back. I think I was talking about Twitter. It was how to generate leads or something like that. So stop doing that because it's very annoying. Okay, so let's go to tip number one. Number one, content integration. Okay, so basically what this means is framing your offer around a video or a blog post, or just content in general. It doesn't have to be a video, it doesn't have to be a blog post, but it has to be framed. Okay, the blog post or your content has to be congruent to the offer. Okay, it has to be related, and it has to be something that your reader or your audience member is interested in. It has to solve someone's problem. Okay, for example, like this video I'm doing now. Okay, and it has to be related. Okay, you see a lot of it on YouTube. Okay, and the way you know that is the content integration is working is that you don't even realize that it's an affiliate product. Like, you are hooked. They have hooked you. Before you know it, you pulled out your credit card. Like, oh my God, I've been looking for this all the time. Okay, that's excellent content integration. Okay, all right. Number 2, another powerful way of doing this is through incentivizing your audience with a bonus. Okay, and you see this a lot in contests and bonuses like coaching programs. Like, say you're following one of your favorite leaders and they may have like a coaching program or training or something like that, or you yourself may offer that, one of your members. Okay, and the last one is through webinars. Okay, this is one of the most underused tools, and oddly enough, it's the most effective one. Okay, and I think the reason why this is probably one of the most underused one is because the person who is offering the product has to be on the forefront, and 9 times out of 10 the webinar is live, and most people don't like to be doing anything live. They don't like doing live anything. Okay, and so when you're doing this, okay, if you decide to have the guts to do it, you be sure to pack the webinar with plenty of value. Okay, and offer the product at the very end. Okay, because you don't want to lose anybody, because every webinar that I've sat on, they typically run to a good hour. Okay, so, and a lot of people don't want to hang around, but if it's a very, very popular, if you are solving a problem in your industry, and it's a very, very popular problem, you want to keep people on the very, very end, and that's when you offer it. Okay, and that's about it. So let's recap. Content integration is number 1. Okay, number 2, offer bonuses and contests, and number 3, webinars. Okay, so I hope you found this training helpful, and if you want more tips like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share if you feel that somebody else can use this video. And that's it, and I will see you on my next video, and thank you for sticking around until the end. I know you value your time, and I really appreciate you spending your time with me, and I'll see you on my next video, and bye-bye for now.